Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Oura Ring membership for insights, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Oura app on your device. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Log in to your Oura account using your credentials. If you are a new user, create an account by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the membership section in the app menu. Tap on the membership option to view the subscription details. You will see an overview of the membership benefits. Review the features and insights available through the membership. You will be prompted to select a subscription plan that suits your needs. Choose the plan that best fits your usage and preferences. Enter your payment information as prompted. Make sure to double-check all details for accuracy. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation. You will now have full access to the Oura Ring membership insights. Explore the exclusive features available to you in the app. Utilize these insights to enhance your health and wellness journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.